you guys? It's Andrea and welcome back to my channel.
Really excited for this video in general. So
I am trying something new. We're not gonna do an intro today. Wow, I know we're not actually gonna plug all my social medias and everything, even though they're all linked down below. I'm just saying they're totally down there and you should definitely go check them out. And my other videos put a lot of work into them and I feel like you really like them. And then we're totally not gonna take time to say, hey, if you like this video and you're excited for more videos from me, you should definitely go down below and like the video. So if this video hits 20,000 likes, then I'll make another video
like this one.
And then I most definitely am not gonna say I'm gonna be hanging out in the comments for the first 2 hours this video is live, liking people's comments and talking to you guys and choosing new notification shout out members. New notification shout out members, thank you, I love you guys so much and I appreciate everything you do for me. So there's been something going on. There's been something happening in the slime community, water slime.
I don't know what that is.
And I'm fascinated. I know a lot of people have been asking me to make it. I thought it was literally just the world's biggest joke. I asked you guys on the Peachybbies Instagram, I have it right here. We're gonna go through some of them. I asked you guys to explain to me what water slime was. I still don't know. And then we're gonna pick some recipes and I am going to test them out. Okay, so we found one that says water slime has become fairly popular on Instagram lately, which I did see. She gave us a recipe too. Okay, thank you. So this other person says peel off gel mask, water, and borax and it comes together. That does not sound right to me. That sounds like a face mask slime, which by the way,
if I were to do like a really expensive face mask slime for a video,
is that something we would watch? Get a random slime and put it in a bowl. Next you add about 2 cups of water and knead the slime into the water. Add more water if you want it to be more water. I appreciate you and all of your help. Is that what this video is going to be about? Me adding water to slime? Is that it? That's all it is? I get the feeling this is one of those things that looks so simple and it's just gonna go bad real quick. I guess we're gonna get into it.
We're gonna try it.
Right now, go down in the comments. Is Andrea gonna succeed? Yes
or no?
Let's go.
Okay, so the first recipe people suggested I tried out was a basic one, starting off with some clear glue, and then I asked you guys on Peachybbies to name the slime, and this girl suggested blue dude and green dude, so I had to choose her just because I thought it was hilarious at the time. It was 3M, okay? Don't judge me. At that time, I laughed my head off at it, so, you know, thank you for that name. So this one, basically, you're just taking an amount of clear glue, adding 2 to 3 times as much water as there is glue, mixing it up until it is all dissolved, and then activating it with a really light activator. If you guys want to know what activators I'm using, I have a video linked down below that explains all the different types of activators that I use. You just mix. You mix a lot. Listen to that mixing. That's so ASMR, right? Eventually, it'll start to come together. One thing I'm really surprised about, since this was my first time making water slime, is it took a lot longer than I thought, and it is really easy to overactivate it. But it also does this thing where the slime will come together, but it'll leave like a watery pool on the outside. You kind of see what's going on in the video, but just keep mixing. I started panicking at first, and eventually it will turn into something that's really light and really jiggly. These are really fun for Instagram videos and stuff like that, but I definitely don't think that I recommend them for like everyday play. I don't think I would keep one of these around the house just to play with when I was bored. I feel like our basic slime turned out really well. So shout out to all of you guys who sent me this recipe. You didn't really give me any measurements, but basically it is 1/3 glue to 2/3 water and then activate it. I turned this one blue and I added ducks because I thought they were cute. Literally nothing I do ever has a reason. I just thought it was really cute. And now I present you with some rubber duck ASMR. Another bonus to water slimes, if you guys want to make some of these at home, is they clear up a lot faster than regular slimes. This one, I had it sitting in a container after I made it for about an hour, and it was already this clear. Like, look at that. That looks like it would take a week with a normal slime. So, if you need something clear and you need it clear really fast, definitely go with something that has a little bit more water in it. Here's me trying to aesthetically make it jiggle like it does in the videos. I don't think we're quite there. I feel like it could have held just the tiniest bit more water, but overall, I think that one is pretty good. This one I decided to try and use a store-bought slime and then add water to it and see if we could create a half store-bought, no glue involved water slime. I found this at Michael's. I've never seen this before, okay, and I think I might have sabotaged myself because this stuff, if you have ever bought it, literally it comes to you, it's like glue. It's like buying a container of glue, except for the glue won't activate. I know, because I tried to activate this container because I thought maybe I got a bad one or one that had been sitting out too long. That's just what it is. I don't know. I don't personally enjoy it, but if you do have this and you need something to do with it, I will say this one made the best water slime in my opinion, because a lot of the water slimes that I'm going to show you, just because of the high water content, they're super sticky, but this one was a lot less sticky than the other ones. Starting off with that green, I don't even want to call this slime. This is not fit to be slime. It's just kind of green liquidy goo. We're making kind of the same thing as we did with the basic water slime recipe. We're adding 2/3 water to 1/3 store-bought slime of your choice, mixing that all together. I was hoping that it would activate if I just added borax to the pre-made slime and water mixture. It totally didn't. I don't think that there is any glue in this mixture, which is why it just wouldn't activate. So if you guys have this at home and you want to make this slime, because it actually turned out super well with this crazy glue gunk, whatever this stuff is called, I added about 2 tablespoons of clear glue to the mixture and then stirred it around and then activated it, and it came together really, really well. So much mixing, and I don't show you all of it, but no joke, literally like 20 minutes I did this. 20 minutes of this. I was so bored. Didn't look like there was any hope in sight, and I really wanted a snack, but I couldn't get a snack. It was torture. But after a while, you get something that looks like this, and it seems to be one of the most jiggly recipes that I've tried. I will say, water slimes especially, and I'm going to warn you guys because like I said, transparent DIYer here, they do stick to plastic like crazy bad. My table is plastic, the little plastic bins I have them in are plastic, and it sticks like crazy. My very first mistake, and if you take one thing away from this video, it will be do not play with water slime on anything plastic. Use a glass bowl. Speaking of repurposing a slime, another person suggested that I use a pre-made slime. So, you know, my Peachybbies plug, I took one of these from the restock this week, and I decided to try and turn it into a water slime. So this was a 4-ounce container of slime, and then I poured in 2 times the amount of water. And okay, you can't tell me this doesn't look like an alien. An alien or a turtle? Which one does it remind you of more? But now that you've seen it, like you can't get the image out of your head. It will forever be an alien turtle. If you're looking for slime fails, you found it in this one, because I don't know if I overactivated this or I put too much water in it, but I'm going to be honest with you, I kept it in the video because this texture kind of reminds me of Jell-O, and I'm low-key here for it, but it was really relaxing. Like, I actually really liked it because you can crunch it up, and it's kind of like when you're crunching Orbeez, like that same satisfying feeling. Add a little bit more water and then activate it with a stronger borax mixture, and you'll get that. And then finally, some people said that we can make water slimes with white glue, and I was like, you know, we gotta test this one out too. So we are gonna make a cake batter slime. So first of all, a little bit of ivory food coloring. I swear by this color for anything that could be a baked good. Ivory is like my go-to color because it makes the perfect like golden brown.
Oh, that smells good.
Then we're adding a little bit of cake batter scent, adding 2/3 the amount of water that there is to glue. I think the basic recipe here is 2/3 the amount of water. If you want it a little bit jigglier, you can add more. Just be careful, because if you add too much, it will just fall apart and then you'll have nothing. And then I wouldn't want you guys to waste your supplies, you know? So for the white glue, the main thing that I noticed, and I showed you this, if it looks clumpy like it does in the video like I showed you, just keep mixing it, because eventually it'll turn into something that looks like this. And this is actually pretty cool. This one sticks to glass a little bit more than the other ones, but look how jiggly this one is. As far as stickiness goes, this one did stick to the glass a little bit more, but I definitely didn't notice it sticking to my hands at all, which is pretty cool. Then transferring that into a glass bowl. I learned this time, you guys, always keep your water slimes in glass bowls. We're gonna fancy this up. We're gonna decorate this little guy for you. So I told you it was cake batter, and look how cute that is. Oh, I love it. Really quick, now that you've seen all 4 of them though, I'm genuinely curious, out of all 4 water slimes that we made, which one is your favorite and why? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna be favoriting some of you guys' answers because I really, really want to know what you think.
That was it for the video. Did you guys like it? I learned a lot. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like I said, you should definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps me out. It lets me know that you like what I'm making so that I can make more of it. And like I said, videos, social media, everything down below if you want to check it out. I'm going to be in the comments. So when this video is live, I'm probably down there. I'm probably waiting to say hi to all of you beautiful faces. So definitely come and hang out with me. Okay, bye guys.